Imagine walking into a store where the air smells like fruit, flowers, and chocolate. Handmade soaps in vivid colors, shampoos in little black pots, and staff who greet you with real smiles, not the scripted kind. No, this isn't a movie. This is LUSH, a brand that built an empire on three things: ethics, freshness, and rebellion. The story of LUSH starts not with success, but failure. Mark Constantine, a hairdresser and trichologist, and his wife Mo, a brilliant formulator, once created products for the body shop in the 1980s. They were the minds behind the first bath bombs, massage bars, and shampoo bars. But when the body shop bought the rights to their formulas, they were suddenly out of work. They didn't give up. They launched a mail-order brand called Cosmetics to Go. Innovative, absolutely, but it grew too fast. Poor financial management and overwhelmed logistics caused it to crash. The business collapsed. That failure, though, became their greatest blessing, because in 1995, from the ashes, LUSH was born. LUSH had a mission: no animal testing, no lies, no fake beauty. Every product was handmade, fresh, fragrant, and ethical. They put the face of the person who made it. Literally, on the packaging. No preservatives if they could help it. No unnecessary plastic. And absolutely no animal cruelty. After the bankruptcy of their previous company, Cosmetics to Go, the founders regrouped with some of their former employees and set up a small workshop in Poole, England. The brand grew slowly and organically in its early years, not driven by money, but by creativity, experience, and a strong ethical vision focused on natural ingredients and handmade products. LUSH was, and still is, a family business. Mark Constantine remains. CEO Mo is still formulating. Their children are involved in operations. They refuse to go public. Why? Because they didn't want investors telling them to cut costs at the expense of ethics. They wanted full control over their message, their ingredients, and their future. Over the years, LUSH took stands, strong ones. They launched bold campaigns against animal testing, against plastic pollution, for trans rights, even against social media. In 2022, LUSH left Facebook and Instagram, calling them toxic to mental health. It was risky, but they stood their ground. As of 2025, LUSH operates over 900 stores in 50 countries. They employ around 13,000 people worldwide. Their estimated annual revenue between $600 to $700 million, according to private business analysts. Since LUSH doesn't publish detailed earnings, but it hasn't all been glitter and rosewater. In markets like Germany and Japan, LUSH faced setbacks. High costs, fierce competition, and cultural barriers forced some store closures. COVID-19 was another blow. With physical retail at a standstill, sales dropped sharply. But the one thing that kept them alive: customer loyalty. LUSH didn't just sell shampoo. They sold values. And they built a community, and of people who wanted to feel clean inside and out. LUSH taught the business world a lesson that a brand can be bold, ethical, and profitable all at once. That failure doesn't kill a dream, it refines it. And that staying true to your values isn't just possible, it's powerful. But like with any brand, even LUSH isn't perfect. While their commitment to natural ingredients is part of their charm, it's also a double-edged sword. Some customers with extra sensitive skin have reported mild reactions to certain essential oils, like peppermint or cinnamon, used in their handmade products. LUSH has always been transparent about this, encouraging customers to patch test and reminding us that natural doesn't always mean gentle. Still, for the vast majority of fans, the fizz, the fragrance, and the philosophy keep them coming back. LUSH still makes products with their hands, sells them with heart, and markets them with a conscience. Here's how LUSH keeps its promise to the planet. 1. Ethical sourcing. They choose suppliers who protect biodiversity. No pesticides, no deforestation, no exploitation. 2. Naked products. Over half of LUSH's products come with no packaging at all. No plastic, no paper. Just raw, colorful goodness. 3. Clean formulas. They avoid harsh chemicals and microplastics. What goes down your drain should never harm rivers or oceans. 4. 100% cruelty-free. Not a single product or ingredient is tested on animals. They fight for animal rights, because nature includes every living being. 5. Low waste production. Their factories aim for minimal emissions and waste. And some even run on renewable energy. So yes, they take from nature, but they give back with respect, responsibility, and a mission to leave the world lusher than they found it. If you're enjoying the story so far, hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss the next brand we uncover. Thanks for watching.